Hello. A great part about UNC is having over 5,000 undergraduate courses and sections each term. But how do you narrow down your options? We are excited to show you today how Schedule Builder can help. In this video, we will be going over the Schedule Builder in ConnectCarolina. This tool allows you to visualize your schedule in a calendar view and directly enroll into courses when you are in your enrollment appointment. You will also be able to make different versions of potential schedules, compare them, and add a few preferred variations to your favorites for quick access. For the optimal experience, you'll want to have classes added to your shopping cart before launching Schedule Builder. Use the class search and the class information dropdown to explore your interests and select a variety of classes that meet general education or major/minor requirements and add them to your shopping cart. First, select the Student Center tile once you log into ConnectCarolina. The Schedule Builder is located under the Enrollment dropdown on the left side. The first time you open Schedule Builder, you will need to select a term. Here I'm going to select Fall 2025. You will be presented with a choice of additional filters and a blank screen. If you have already enrolled in one or more classes, they will import automatically. One approach to getting started is to utilize courses you already have in your shopping cart. After selecting Import from Shopping Cart, you are presented with a window showing you all courses in your cart. A great way to begin is by selecting 2 to 3 courses. Here I'm going to select English 105, English 308, and Philosophy 160. Some courses have a lot of sections, but when you pull it from your shopping cart, a specific section is selected. To expand your options, click the Sections button and then choose up to 15 other options. Once the selected courses are brought into Schedule Builder, select Build Schedules. The system will automatically generate possible schedules for you to review and explore. I selected more than 15 sections of English 105, leading to the pop-up. Here in the first schedule, the student has English 105 at 8 a.m., something I'm sure every first year is looking forward to. You'll notice as we switch through the schedules that the only course that is actually changing is English 105. This is because the other 2 courses only have one section selected. Now that you have possible schedules designed with your first round of courses, begin adding courses from your shopping cart and exploring more schedules. Before hitting Build Schedule, I'm going to select the other 2 sections of Biology 101 so that we have some variation aside from English 105. The hold we're seeing here is due to it not being this student's enrollment appointment. When you go to actually enroll for fall courses during your enrollment appointment, you should not see this hold. If you take a look at the first schedule, all of our new classes are in there. However, we still have the 8 a.m. English, and our student is not a fan of that. So we're going to make our way over to the 5th schedule, where our student finally finds one that they like, getting rid of this 8 a.m. English. Once you are happy with your schedule, take a moment to validate your classes. This helps you identify any enrollment issues at this moment in time that you may be able to resolve before your registration appointment begins. You can register directly from your favorite schedule during your appointment window. Now you can really see how this tool can help you prepare for registration. There are additional features we encourage you to explore, such as pinning courses, adding unavailable times, and searching for classes using section filters. To learn about these features, we offer additional support materials on our website, registrar.unc.edu, or by reaching out by phone or email. Go Hills!